Are you having problems with your Apple Magic Mouse that it keeps basically disconnecting all the time and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself I had a lot of problems with this before, and I think that I might know the solution for this. So basically I'm just going to give you a simple solutions now to begin with, and more advanced when the video is basically going to end, just so you know. So a simple solution is that, for example, if you haven't yet basically charge your Apple Magic Mouse, you haven't charged it for a day or so, or even more than that, then make sure to just charge it to 100%, because sometimes that can actually fix this bug as well. So just charge it, like leave it on for maybe like 1 to 2 hours, and then you can actually start using it again, and try and see if that can actually fix this bug that it keeps disconnecting. If that still is not working for you, what you need to do then is that you will need to reset your Apple Magic Mouse, and the easiest way to do so is to grab this cable right here, or similar cable, as you can see. Then you're going to put this one right here, as you can see in this one right here. So we're going to put this one here. And the other end right here, this actually has to go into a computer that supports this kind of cable. As you can see, the easiest is that if you have a MacBook Pro, or like if you have a Mac, for example, to just like basically put it into your computer, and then it's going to recognize your mouse, and after that you're going to be able to reset it basically. So this is also one way that you can try to fix this problem. For me, it actually worked to like basically reset my mouse, and after that it actually worked for me. So try this, and hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you as well.